Hello everyone. Today some worrying news as far as I am concerned. Yesterday we had a total of 23 people admitted across the islands, but today that number has climbed by 6. And the issue that's really worrying me is that a lot of these people were older. The admissions have been spread across the Health Services Authority at Georgetown Hospital, and there are also 6 admissions at Health City. That gives the total of 29. One of these people is ventilated. One of these people is requiring some respiratory assistance in the form of a mask with some additional pressure support. And 13 are requiring additional oxygen. A total of 86% of the admissions are unvaccinated. You'll recall there's been a press release saying that there has been a number of cases picked up at the Pines, and one of the admissions yesterday was somebody from the Pines. I think it gives me a pause for thought and a wish from my side to remind you of how vulnerable the elderly can be with regards to COVID, whether they be vaccinated or not vaccinated. Not only, of course, the elderly, but also people with other additional diseases which puts them at greater risk. But in particular, with these groups of people, please remember to wear your masks, to avoid hugging them, avoid embracing them, keep to your hand hygiene, and of course keep to distancing when you can. If you have access to lateral flow tests, it's also a good idea, if you're going to do a visit, to just check that you're negative before you make that journey to go and visit anybody that's vulnerable. I've seen a lot of people with masks in the community, and I'm afraid to say also at work, who will remove their mask in order to speak, to be heard clearer. That's absolutely not the right thing to do. Your mask needs to be on when you're speaking. That's one of the at-risk times when you're more likely to disperse any virus. So keep your mask over your nose and mouth, including when you're speaking and including when you're in meetings. These are all times when you are at greater risk, when there are gatherings of people and you may cause a transmission event.